Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the new easy way to join a WhatsApp group using a QR code. Whether you are joining a study group, family chat or work team, this method is fast and secure. So let's dive right in. First, make sure the group admin has generated the QR code. They can do this by opening the group chat, tapping the group name and selecting invite via QR code. They can then share this QR code with you. Make sure you have the latest version of the WhatsApp app installed on your phone. Open WhatsApp and head to the Chats tab. Now, there are a couple of ways to scan QR code. First method is using a WhatsApp built-in scanner. Tap the camera icon on in the top right corner of the chest tab, or three dots in the top right corner, and then settings. Tap the QR code in next to your profile picture. Then select scan code and point your camera at the group QR code. There are another option using your phone's camera. Open your phone's camera app, point it at the WhatsApp group QR code. You should see a pop-up to join group in WhatsApp. After scanning, you will see the join group button. Tap it and you are in. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly join a WhatsApp group using a QR code. This is a super convenient way to connect with friends, family, or colleagues. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.